On June 18, 1919 in Paris, Nguyễn Ái Quốc represented a group of Annamite Patriots to represent a letter from the Vietnamese people to the Paris Peace Conference at the end of World War I. This letter included 8 claims for Vietnamese people, and it was the first time the voice of Vietnamese people had been represented at a World Forum. The Vietnamese community in France took this historical milestone to mark the birth of the movement of patriotic Vietnamese in France.
1919 was when Uncle Ho's association was established. After that, many other associations were established. But these Vietnamese people in France shared the same goals and purpose of contributing to the country's revolution and independence.
In the 2 resistance wars against the French and the US, the Vietnamese community in France made important contributions to mobilizing resources and getting the support of people from France and other countries around the world for Vietnam. The Vietnamese community in France has closely followed and supported Vietnamese negotiating delegations at the Fontainebleau Conference in 1946 and the Paris Conference from 1968 to 1973. Contributing to the success of the delegations.
The history of the formation of the Vietnamese community in France is long-standing, and they were very supportive of Uncle Ho. Every time Uncle Ho would come to visit, the Vietnamese community in France would come and greet him to express their affection and support.
On May 24, 1976, the Vietnamese Association in France was officially established. Since then, the association in France has supported Vietnam by promoting intellectual resources in the fields of culture, science, education, economy, society, and the environment.
After the establishment, to adhere to Vietnam's new development as an independent country, the association changed its purpose and operations to promote the image of Vietnam to the international community through a number of cultural and sports activities. Being a part of the Vietnamese Association in France, I feel the Vietnamese community here is very diverse and features both intellectuals and workers.
Generations of overseas Vietnamese in France have joined hands to unite and grow a strong community, preserve and promote cultural identity, and act as a bridge for Vietnam-France relations. Despite living far away, the hearts and minds of over 300,000 overseas Vietnamese in France are still with their home country, Vietnam.